We are mindfully going to pick the raspberries right here from my garden. And we can use mindfulness even just to notice the difference between the ripened raspberries that are that dark color, red and purple, and the ones that are still growing. So we can mindfully notice the different raspberries, and then we need to use mindfulness to pick out the raspberries to include in our raspberry smoothie. So I'm going to practice mindfulness by looking for the darker colored raspberries to add to my smoothie. So again, you can see these are fresh organic raspberries right from my garden, and over here are the blackberries, not quite ready yet, but these are how they are growing. So we can even practice mindfulness by noticing the difference between the shape, the color, and texture of the raspberries and the blackberries. So again, practicing mindfulness. Actually, these blackberries look almost ready. But again, using mindfulness to pick the berries, these fresh fruit, right off the vine. And again, there's some more blackberries getting ready to ripen. And we have more raspberries back here. So that's gonna be a good one to pick. So again, just practicing mindfulness by finding the ripened raspberries. Otherwise, they're not gonna taste that great in the smoothie. It'll be a little tart. It won't be as sweet. But again, those are the blackberries. And ooh, right in here, those are some ripened and ready raspberries. And you also have to be really careful when you're picking the raspberries because they're a little prickly. So you have to really be careful and mindful as we pick the raspberries for our smoothie. So again, this is right in my own backyard, using mindfulness when it comes to gardening and nutrition and healthy eating. And we're gonna use the fresh berries in a smoothie. Actually, if we look over here, I see some more ripened blackberries right there. What do you notice? What do you see? As you can see, they are blooming everywhere back here. And again, I'm gonna make a smoothie using the fresh fruit. And we can see some of those raspberries have had their time. They've shriveled up. But again, we are going to practice mindfulness to pick the raspberries to make our smoothie. This one looks really ready and ripened to go. So I will mindfully pick the raspberries, and then we will mindfully make our smoothie. Again, this is right in my backyard garden here in the raspberry and blackberry bushes.